my old alternator was giving me a lot of issues. It was making a lot of noise. So I installed this one. This is what I had before. And once I installed this one, it was overcharging my batteries. The voltage was like 14.5. It boiled 2 of my batteries. So I talked to a good friend of mine from Bowling Green, Kentucky, Johnny, and he told me to run this wire all around, all the way from here to the battery, so the positive, to the plus of the battery. So that's what I did. And this fixed your problem. Before was 14.5. So let me tell you right now, let me show you right now what's the voltage right now on my truck. Look at this. Remember, it was like 14.5. There you have it. Run the wire from the alternator to the battery, to the plus side. Thanks to my friend Johnny from Bowling Green. Bye.